Hey guys, today we're working on a 2013 Hyundai Azera. Um, Customer states that he hears a clunk while moving the wheel back and forth. This is a pretty common issue on Hyundai and Kia vehicles. So basically, what you got to do is you got to drop your steering column to gain access to the electric power steering motor, which is right here. And once you get it off, so basically you got to remove all your plastic panels from underneath your cluster, your steering wheel cover, and then there's also a kick uh, airbag, your knee airbag right here. Make sure you guys disconnect your battery. You don't want that airbag to blow up on you or short anything out while you're disconnecting anything. So yeah, so keep that in mind. Another thing, there a tip to get this steering wheel cover. There's two screws hidden in front of your steering column. So make sure you turn your wheel back and forth to the right and the left to gain access to those Phillips head screws that hold your bottom steering column cover. And then once you get that um, motor out, so anyways, to get that motor out, you're gonna be removing 3 Torx screws. There's 2 in the front and then 1 in the back. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to the rear one. But anyways, once you get them out, you remove your motor. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. And once you remove that motor, you'll see that the gear inside sheared off. It's like a little plastic gear. And as you can see, it's all sheared off. So here's the new gear that you're gonna need. So this plastic gear right here, and that's the part number if you guys need it. So if you have a Kia or Hyundai vehicle, that's the part number, and this is the piece that you're gonna need, and it goes inside your electric power steering motor. Thanks. I'll see you guys until the next one.